Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand the functionality of Endl in C++. Okay, what Endl is used to insert a new line character and flush the stream to the next line. Let me explain you this in a more practical language. Now, what we'll do for the demonstration purpose, we'll have a look at this program. Okay, so as you already know, this is the header file that is compulsory to include in all our programs, the namespace std, and here starts the main function. So now in the main function, what do we have? The line says cout, hello, endl, and again this operator and world, and finally we are ending this line with a semicolon. Okay, now what I suggest you guys is to pause the video and try to predict the output of this program. And keep one thing in mind that this is the normal cout functionality that we have already looked, and this endl, what it does, it pushes the cursor into the next line. Okay, so now I'm moving ahead and see, we'll get the output in this way. So what it does here, the hello is printed in one line. After that, we have used endl. So what endl did, it pushed the cursor into the next line, and after that we are writing world. So as a result, the world is visible not in the first line but in the next line. So endl is very useful if you want to make your output look very clean and it looks really neat while you use endl. So now you'll understand this part much better when we move on to the practical part. Okay, moving on to the practical part of Endl. Here we'll try to understand the functionality of Endl and how we can use it in our C++ programming. So here I have written the basic C++ program, and first, without doing anything else, let us run this code and see what we're getting as the output. When we run this code, we'll simply get hello world as the output. Okay, let's write one more cout statement. Udemy C++ course, and again let's end the statement with a semicolon. Now can you guys think what will be the output of this code? Okay, let's run this. So hello world, Udemy C++ course. Everything is printed in one single line. What if I want to print this Udemy C++ course in the next line? So what I have to do, I have to add endl here. So what it will do, it will bring the cursor onto the next line, and as soon as the cursor reaches the next line, the compiler will move here and execute this statement. So how will be the code executed when we write endl? First of all, cout hello world, that's the normal thing, hello world, which will be printed on the screen. Then the compiler sees endl, okay, here it's endl, so I have to move the cursor to the next line, and when it reaches the next line, the compiler will execute Udemy C++ course. So let's run this code and now have a look at the output. Okay, now you can see hello world Udemy C++ course, right? Now again, if I write one more statement, let's write demo statement, and what we'll do again, we'll end this line with the semicolon. Now try to predict the output of this code. Okay, let's run this and see again. What do you have? Hello world is printing in one line, and these two are getting printed in the same line. Why? Because we haven't written endl here. So what we can do, if we want to print all these three statements into different lines, then we have to add a endl here. So again, if I write endl, then what will happen? Hello world first line, Udemy C++ course second line, and the demo statement will be printed in the third line. Okay. Now if I run this, see, now everything is printed in different lines. For generating the same output, we have one more method. By using this endl, and the cout statements. How? Let me show you that also. So what I can do, instead of using multiple cout statements, I'll use only one cout statement and we'll try to get the same output. I'll copy this and then I'll paste it here. Again, I'll copy this and I'll paste that here. Okay, we just have to write an Endl here. So this line also is printed in the new line. Now, if I try to run this code, what will be the output? See, we are getting the same output, but this time we only used one cout statement instead of three cout statements. So by using this technique, you can write more efficient code in less number of lines. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Thank you for watching the video.